Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I'd like to welcome you to this video. If you are a Carbide Create user for your CNC router project designs, this little video is to show you how to import and export SVG files. Very simple. You can even bring in DXF files. It's all really easy in this software. So this is the Carbide Create screen layout when you open up your Vectric. And what you'll do is go up to File and go Open. And from there you can bring in anything you want. So I'm going to go to a particular file. Let's see, we'll use the clamps file. This is a project that I actually have available on Etsy where you can make your own clamps for your CNC router rather than buying them. Personally, I find that you can pay $50 for a set of clamps, for a set of 4, or you can just get this file and make 21 clamps, and you'll have clamps that you don't have to worry about running into because they're made of wood. Okay, so what we're looking at here are two different formats. The little swirly is a SVG file, and this one here is a DXF. All you have to do is just import them. Just click them, double click. So here's the SVG, and there it is. Now you notice it came in huge because it came into the original size of the project. So I don't know how this is scaled currently. That's not what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm just going to cover how to bring this in. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now if we're going to bring in the other one, we're just going to go to File, Open, and we're going to discard that, and we're going to bring in the DXF. Bang, and click that and open, and there it is, and it has scaled your job accordingly. So that's how you do it. Now, if I want to save it as an SVG, you reverse the process. You can save this as a Carbide file, you can save it as an SVG, and you can't save it as a DXF. So File, Save As, and let's just save it in an innocuous place because I don't need to keep this. So I'm just going to my downloads folder, and I'm going to call this a Carbide file. Let's call it Carbide Clamps. By the way, if you want, I think I said you can get that file on Etsy. There will be a link down in the description for that. Okay, so I saved it, and I look here, and there in my directory is the file for that right there. And it's called Carbide Clamps. I wonder what the extension is on this because I don't normally use Carbide, so let's take a look. We're opening that up, and the file extension is C3D. So that's Carbide 3D. I don't believe this is a 3D capable software. All right, so we're going to save it as an SVG now. So you go up to File, click it, and Export SVG. And we're going to save that in the same location. We're just going to call it Carbide Clamps. Enter, and then we're going to go look at that directory, and now there it is right there. So that is how you import SVGs, and you can take an DXF at the same time, and that's how you export to SVG. So there you go. And these clamps, I'll just show you what they are so you know what, if you decide to get this, what you'd end up making. Let's go find that directory again. I just think it's you don't need to go out and buy clamps and spend so much money on them when they're available to you. There you go. Come on, clamps, show up. So you'd make 21 of these. There's a 3-inch, 4-inch, and a 5-inch clamp. So what you're seeing here are the 3-inch and 5-inch clamps. If you decide to buy it, then you'll have video instructions and you'll know everything you have to do, even the G code, so you don't even have to design it up. So again, that link is down in the description. So I hope this video has helped you out understand this little aspect of Carbide Create. This is Garrett with IDC Woodcraft. I hope you have a great day, better tomorrow, and of course, happy CNCing.